Happy Monday, boys and girls. This is our last phonics lesson of the school year. Our objective for this week is I can read 3 out of 4 words containing the final syllable LE. Okay, first we're going to work on isolating middle sounds. So listen to the following words. If you need to tap it out, go ahead and do that. We're looking for that middle sound. Tell me the middle sound you hear in lock. Tap it first. O, ah, k, lock. What is the middle sound? Good, ah. Your next word, clone. Listen, clone. Tap it, k, o, n, clone. What is your middle sound? Good, o. Your next word, blast. Tap it, b, o, a, s, t, blast. What is your middle sound? Good, ah. Your last word, house. Tap it, h, ow, s, house. What is your middle sound? Good, ow. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and practice reading our words that have suffixes. Remember, words, the suffix ER compares 2 things. EST is used to compare more than 2 things. We also had the suffix LY, full, and we learned about changing Y to I and adding ES to make a noun plural. So those long vowel 2-syllable words that end in a Y, change that Y to I and add ES. Let's go ahead and read these words. Ready? Faster, tallest, babies, softly, colorful, louder, softest, beautiful, quickly. Great job, boys and girls. The next part is to work on our fluency phrases. Okay, ready? The babies are cute. Again, the babies are cute. Next one, he tries so hard. Again, he tries so hard. Next one, I'm taller. Again, I'm taller. The next one, you're the smartest. Again, you're the smartest. Slowly walk. Again, slowly walk. Great job, boys and girls. Okay, let's go ahead and do our paragraph. You're going to see words that have endings like LY, EST, and you're also going to see some 2-syllable words where they change the Y to I and add ES. Okay, let's go ahead and read this. Let me move this down. There we go. Ready? The bunnies run quickly in the grass. They live in the country and stay out of the cities. They are the smallest creatures in the field. I think the bunnies are the cutest animals I have ever seen. Okay, you're welcome to go ahead and stop the video. Practice rereading that passage. Make sure you are reading the way you speak. Okay, for this week, we're looking at the final syllable LE. The consonant LE syllable type is known as a final syllable because it can only occur at the end of a word. When breaking the word into syllables, the consonant LE is the ending syllable. If the first syllable ends with a vowel, like in bugle, cradle, cable, eagle, it is considered open. The vowel says its name. If the syllable ends with a consonant, like in mumble, puzzle, and giggle, the syllable is considered closed, and the vowel says its short sound. Here are 2 examples below. If you tap out the syllables for bugle, bugle, bugle. First syllable, bu, ends with a long vowel sound. That's an open syllable. We do this hand signal. For candle, tap it, can, dull, candle. Can has a short vowel a followed by a consonant n. That's a closed syllable. Okay, my turn. Look at this word. Right away, I see I have a vowel here, and then I have this E that's part of the consonant L-E. This last part says bull. Okay, if I were to draw a line here, this word and this syllable ends with a vowel, so the A should say A. Cable, cable. Your turn. Okay, here you have an IR that says Here you have your consonant LE. Let's try to read this. Circle. Good, circle. Your next word? One vowel followed by a consonant. This vowel should say I. And then you have your consonant LE. Pull. Let's read it. Simple. Simple. Okay, this word, there's your consonant LE. Here you have an A followed by a consonant. The A should say A. Let's try to read that. Waddle. That doesn't sound quite right. Let's try Flippy the Dolphin and try a different vowel sound. I know a word just like that. Waddle, the way a duck might walk. Waddle. So this A is making a different sound. Your last word. Here is a vowel, and then we have consonant LE. So this first syllable ends in a vowel. The I should say I. Let's try to read that. Rifle. Rifle. Good job, friends. Okay, this is your turn. Look at the first word and try to read that. Good. Eagle. Here you have your vowel team EA, E, and your consonant LE, go. Eagle. Your next word? Try to read that. Good. Table. Here you have another open syllable. The A says A. Then you have your consonant LE syllable. Bowl. Table. Good job. That's 2 if you got them. Your third word? Read it. Good. Riddle. Here you have consonant LE. And the first syllable, I have an I followed by a consonant. The I should say I. That's a closed syllable. Riddle. Riddle. That's 3. Last word. Look at it. Good. Read it. Little. Here you have consonant LE. The first syllable is lit. That I says I because it's followed by a consonant. T. Little. Okay, if you got all 4 correct, you can say, I can read 4 out of 4 words with the LE ending. Nice job, everybody. See you on Wednesday.